This airdrop I'm about to show is not for professional. So if you're a professional, I think you need to move forward. Now come here, let me show you this simple way you can tie your airdrop as a beginner. When you grab the material, you are going to just fold a bit in, use your band to grab it, then wear it up like a cap. All you need to do here is just to glue your eyes to the screen and watch the steps in creating it. Super easy. Now grab another band and use it to grab the excess at the front. The excess you have here, you're going to gently twist it and you're going to be taking it round your head bit by bit. Make sure you are adjusting as you are directing it. Now the other part has been twisted and the excess is going to be dipped in here. Pull out the excess fabric gently and adjust all adjustables. The excess material is going to be stretched out gently like this and you're going to gather it bit by bit. You can use any material to create this, Ashoke, Ankara material, any material of your choice you can use it. But here is a paper material that I'm using for today's tutorial. Now that place is being dipped into the band. If you are not comfortable enough, you can add a pin to it to get it well secured. Now you're going to take it round to the other edge, get it in there and pin down with an office pin or affix pin. Somebody corrected me and said it's affix pin. I'm not sure, maybe it is office or affix pin, whichever way. Now I have the final look like this. Hope you have learned one or two things.